We are going to discuss about an easier way of finding the solution of problems relating to unitary method. The price of 6 pencils is rupees 15. Find the price of 4 pencils. We have two variables. One is pencils and other is rupees. So pencils and rupees. We have to find out rupees. So the variable which is to be found out is written on the right hand side. Now 6 pencils, they cost 15 rupees and 4 pencil will cost how much? Let this is x. So the value of x will be equal to, please note that the variable to be found out is always to be multiplied. 15 is always to be multiplied. Now ask a question to yourself. If 6 pencil cost 15 rupees, the 4 pencil will cost more or less? If the answer is more, multiply by the bigger number and divide by the smaller number. If answer is less, multiply by the lesser number and divide by the bigger number. So if 6 pencils are costing 15 rupees, 4 will be costing less. So answer is less. Multiply by the lesser number 4 and divide by the bigger number 6. So 2 and 3 and 5. So 4 pencil will be costing rupees 10. Now let us solve this problem. Again, pencils and rupees. 6 pencil costing 15 rupees. 22 will costing how much? So x is equal to 15. Now 6 are costing 15. 22 will cost more. So answer is more. If answer is more, we have to multiply by the bigger number and divide by the smaller number. So 5 and 2 and 11. So 55 rupees will be costing us 22 pencils. So by this way we can solve the questions related to unitary method in a faster way. Now let us do practice by solving a complex problem. The question is, 3 men working 8 hours a day make 12 tables in 6 days. In how many days 4 men working 6 hours a day will make 14 tables? So we are to find out how many days. Days are to be found out. So we have men, hours a day, tables and days. So men, hours, tables and days. 3 men in 8 hours make 12 tables in 6 days. 4 men working 6 hours will make 14 tables in how many days? So we have to find out this variable, days. Let this is x. So x will be equal to, remember the variable to be found out is always to be multiplied. 6 is always to be multiplied. Now take one variable at a time. We are taking first men. Compare men with days. 3 men take 6 days. If we employ 4 men, the days will be more or less. 3 men take 6 days. If we employ 4 men, we will be taking lesser days. So answer is less. Now see, out of these two, one is more and one is less. If answer is less, multiply by the lesser number and divide by the bigger number. Now compare hours and days. Working 8 hours, they take 6 days. Working 6 hours, they will take more days or less days. If we work 6 hours instead of 8 hours a day, then automatically we will have to spend more days. So answer here is more. Out of these two, the bigger one is 8. If the answer is more, multiply by the bigger one and divide by the smaller one. Now, if we are to make 12 tables, we take 6 days. If we want to make 14 tables, the days required will be more. So, if the answer is more, multiply by the bigger and divide by the smaller one. Now, this, it is 2 and it is 4 and it is 2 and it is 7. So, x is equal to 7. It means 4 men working 6 hours a day will make 14 tables in 7 days.